Hey, what's up, everybody? Over the course of the next 3 days, we're going to go over a crash course in vehicle crashes. You with me? Probably not. Hang in there. We're going to get through this together. So we're going to talk about scene safety, taking action, and handing off that person or people to the paramedics or professionals, EMTs, whoever shows up at the scene. So let's go ahead and start with the scene size up. So when you do see an accident, the first thing you're going to want to do is call 911. It's not uncommon for someone to be like, oh yeah, I'm sure somebody's got it. They probably called already. Maybe they have, maybe they haven't. So go ahead and make that 911 call and get the pros en route. Another thing is you're gonna wanna protect yourself. If you decide to take action, which you totally should, are you gonna be the next person that gets themselves in trouble because you didn't take the right precautions, right? So protect yourself. Park about 100 feet away in a safe area. Look for things like, is the car on its side? Is there spilling fuel? Is there a fire? Are there down power lines? Is the vehicle in the middle of a freeway? That kind of thing. So make sure you're safe so you don't put yourself in danger trying to help somebody else, right? So we're gonna get into taking action and the next steps in the next video, but I want y'all to keep in mind, you have to be protected yourself first in order to help somebody. All right. Keep that in mind. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll guide you through some generalities of what to do when you take action on that vehicle crash. All right, we'll see ya.